And you're sitting up. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're kind of dancing. And sitting at the same time. I have to wash you. I don't think that couch is very clean. It's your first chance at the coffee shop, hanging out. There, your cute little socks on. And you're waving. Are you waving at the camera? Are you waving at the camera? You're pretty alert. Hey, you're like a conductor. Look at you.